According to our foresight exercises, an important new and emerging physical risk is inactivity at work. Research shows that results in high risk for coronary heart disease, for obesity, for some types of cancer. In terms of psychosocial risks, we are talking about job insecurity, work intensification, high mental workload. The rapid spread of ICT and internet has changed the way companies organize work. It created the 24/7 economy, which requires a constant availability. Biological risks, it's with globalization, we are talking about a higher risk of pandemics, which affects not just the healthcare sector, but also people working in transport and other service sectors. When we think about demographic change and its impact on the work, we also consider increase of the number of migrant workers, also increasing proportion of women at work. When we talk about an aging workforce, we think, for example, about changes in balance control and what is the impact for work. So it doesn't affect an office worker, but it affects a worker, for example, a firefighter, or people who are working at height. New technologies in green jobs, solar energy, wind energy, waste management. The Risk Observatory prepared a report on wind energy sector. For example, in terms of maintenance, it's one of the most dangerous jobs. There is a lot of small and micro enterprises involved in that, and sometimes there is lack of training, lack of knowledge how to manage these traditional risks in new combination. It is difficult to predict what will happen in 25 years, but probably the new and emerging risk will be related to the main trends in society. So, for example, globalization, demographic change, the technological development. We still don't know what will be the impact of the financial crisis. We can see already some trends. Companies don't invest in OSHA. Public investment in OSHA research or inspection is in most of the countries decreasing. Research priorities for occupational safety and health in Europe for the years 2013 and 2020. This report identifies several gaps in OSHA research, prevention through design, relating to new technologies. The development of new technologies is happening at such a speed that OSHA research is always lagging behind research on risk communication. I think this is the challenge, to find the right way of communicating our messages, the right means to communicate those messages, so that also the young generations are listening